Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Long time no see. Well, what can you do? I have been busy with other things lately, but now I'm back. So today we're going to unbox this Black & Decker egg cooker. It uses 280 watts and it has 2 years warranty. So let's have a look around the box. This is made in China and it uses 220 to 240 volts. So let's open the box and see what we do have inside. Okay, so the recommended water volume depending on if you want it poached or boiled, and here it will tell you if you need it to be hot or soft, how much water you will need, and the time that you will need for boiling the egg. For example, if you need the egg soft, you will take 10 to 12 minutes with 40 ml of water, and if you want the eggs hard, you will use 60 millimeters of water and it will take about 70 to 90 minutes. And this is the rest of the timetable for the type of boiling you need. So let's put that aside, and this is the user manual. Let's just have a quick look inside. Okay, and now open it up and have a look. Okay, so this is the clear upper lid that you will close it with, and this is an 80 millimeter filling cup. What are these? Okay, this is 2 egg poachers. So if you want to poach the egg, you put them here. This is the egg holding tray. You will put the eggs inside here, and this is the device with the power cord. Let's have a look around it. So this is the on button and this is the off button, and this is the light to indicate it's on. Let's have a look here around it, and that's it. So let's put this aside and let's see first this power cord. This is the length of the power cord. It's less than a meter, and you have to take this off before you plug it in. You have to take it off. And now let's see how do you use this. This is the heating plate, and you see this hole here. There is a hole. This is to release steam, and of course you hold it from here. So how to boil egg in this? Well, you have to place it first on a flat surface. You have to measure the amount of water needed and then pour it here on this plate, and then you put this like so, and you put the eggs you want. It will take up to 6 eggs. You can put as many as you want, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, and then you close the lid, and then you will just press on the on button and turn it on, and so this hot plate will start evaporating the water, and it will generate steam that will cook the eggs. So this is for hard or soft boiled eggs. So how will the device know if it's a soft or hard boiled egg? How will it know when to stop? Well, once all the water evaporates, it will stop. So this is why you have this measuring cup. This is very important to select the type of boiling that you want, whether it's soft or hard. So if you want it soft, you will just fill it with 40 millimeters of water, and once all the water evaporates, it will stop working. But if you want it hard, you will fill it to 60 millimeters of water, and once that evaporates, that means it will take a longer time to cook the egg and it will be hard. And you can experiment. If you open the eggs and if you see it needs a little bit more time of cooking, you can increase the water a little bit. So this is for hard-boiled eggs. Now how to do poaching, how do you poach eggs? So the same concept, that you will put the amount of water that you need here and you will pour it on the hot plate, and then you will crack the egg and you will put it in this container. So you will put the eggs in the egg poacher. You will crack the egg and put it here, and then you will put this here, and you will put the egg poachers like so, and close the lid, and you will wait for it to finish poaching. If you need to stop it while it's cooking at any time before it finishes, then you can just press the off button. So this was the Black & Decker egg cooker. This is all that comes in the box: the appliance, the egg poacher, the measuring cup. This is the tray where you will put your eggs, and this is the lid, and it comes with this guide and with the user manual. So this was it. This was the unboxing of the Black & Decker egg cooker. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.